Only been turned on now. Out of service.
Press X to doubt.
Yeah. We'll go for the front carriage, yeah? Okay guys, I'm taking a train to Limerick Junction with the James.
What it do, my dudes?
Yeah, remember him? We made the video where we flew Air Force One.
The Jokey Dokey one as well.
Yeah, that one. Hold on, I'm trying to plug in my thing.
I was getting the charger out as well.
Yeah, fair enough, Ski.
My 3 meter cable.
It's a bit rainy, so that's why it's a bit blurry, but it's not too bad. Yeah, it's a bit dark, but it's Ireland. What do we expect? There's actually just water standing there next to the tracks. Thank God this isn't electric, eh?
Sure.
It's easy. We have the entire carriage to ourselves, which is why we're just talking away. It's because we're not disturbing anyone.
The train is empty.
No, we passed the one guy on the other car, and I think I saw someone else.
There's an old woman and one guy.
Yeah. This is why I wanted to take this before they close the lot. I'm thinking that. I think we'll be able to see the old Red Iron Bridge.
Oh, I'd say so.
You know what that is, yeah?
Roughly.
It's the bridge on the Dungarvan line.
Oh yeah.
Which is now the Greenway, which both James and I think. Oh, why did you bother with this bollocks?
The Greenway is nice.
It's nice, but it's much less useful than a train.
Yeah, well,
Up.
it's a nice tourist attraction.
But that's where it ends. It's not practical. Whereas a train like that could mean people could live in Dungarvan and commute
up to Waterford.
Yeah, which given like there aren't that many job opportunities in Dungarvan. Yeah, let's see if the Wi-Fi actually works on this train.
Just connected there.
Oh, fair enough then.
It does, but
because there's not that many people using. Well, of course, it's not the best train Wi-Fi.
Sign into the.
Yeah, I know. I've used it before, James.
That's fair. I haven't.
Yeah, exactly. This is James's second time on a train.
Well, second time
in Ireland.
Well, yeah, and second time since I was 3.
Yeah.
Well, first time since I was 3.
Oh look. So good. Don't know how much of that you can see, but there's a train over there. And there's also our reflections. Those are first class enough. Right. Pause this here. See what next one. Hey guys, yeah, that's the truss section. The middle truss section of the Red Iron Bridge that connected to Dungarvan. I just noticed because, like, have you ever gone to Dublin by this way?
Yeah.
Yeah, have you looked down and seen the bridge? Mm-hmm. Yeah, you know the way there's that bit missing?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's that, I think. Which is weird because the middle bit opens. Because it needs to, because Waterford was at some stage a shipping port. Right, yeah, I'll pause the video again. Hopefully in Cahir we'll see the castle, but, you know, we might not. Right guys, we're approaching Carrick-on-Suir, the least used station in Ireland. All you can see is this hedge. That's the good thing about having big windows, but the top's a bit more wet. Anyway, this is, like, in 2016 this station got 1 passenger. 1. What's that on the other side? Is that just a barn or some shit?
Yeah, it's just a barn.
Alright. Fair enough, Ski.
Nothing interesting.
We've got what did we check? It was over 20 minutes at Limerick Junction.
Yeah, 20 minutes switch
and
over.
It's 20 minutes non-stop to Limerick. We might have more people on that train because that train
goes from Limerick Junction straight to Limerick.
Well, it doesn't. It goes from Limerick Junction straight to Limerick, but also you might have people. Well, then again, there are direct trains from Limerick, so maybe not that much. But there's the intercity to Ennis, like.
Yeah.
That we'll be getting on when we're just getting off at the first stop of just happens to be Limerick. If the weather was good, this route would actually be pretty beautiful.
Oh yeah, except the weather isn't good.
Is that flooding there? Is that flooding?
Yeah, that looks like flooding. That's not a river. That's just flooded. Where is it? No, that's a river.
Oh yeah, I know it's a river, but it seems like I don't think trees should be growing out of a river.
It's a river, but it's flooded.
Yeah.
That's the.
But I know it's not an entire area that's flooded, but still. What was I gonna say?
Yeah, no, it's really flooded.
Yeah. Oh yeah, yesterday I was flying in Norway in FSX, right? Mm-hmm. I had landed and I was approaching like Bodo or however it's pronounced.
Yeah.
Ooh. We scared a pigeon. I think the platform's on the other side, hold on. So I doubt it's on this side with a sheer drop. I might just hop over to the other side. Just
Yep.
get a quick video.
And then we've got.
Oh, there's a semaphore signal. Oh, the old semaphore.
Yeah.
Ooh. Huh. This is definitely interesting. Sorry, railway nerd. Even though I'm more of an av geek, but still. Yeah, the correct term for someone who is interested in aviation is av geek.
That's fair.
There's another semaphore on the other side. Does the old signals, you know, that go.
Yeah. I know some.
The thing is, these are reverse semaphores,
Oh.
which means I think they're. I don't know if it means like they're down when they're green, up when they're red, or the other way around. But I don't remember how normal semaphores go. I just. So this. Oh no, the platform is on this side.
That's fair.
And there is literally no one. I might just run out and get a video.
Don't get stuck.
I'm not getting off the train. I'm just opening the doors and basically videoing.
Fair. Understandable. Have a great day.
Carrick-on-Suir, Carrick-on-Suir.
Carrick-on-Suir. We're departing Carrick-on-Suir. I'm going to try to do this at every station. Is basically just hop up, go to the door, look out, close the door after me. The way I'm doing this, I don't think I'm inconveniencing anyone because I'm literally like I close the door after that, and like here they need to wait for the token to change hands. So, and there's the semaphore. Yeah, so it's down when it's green, by the looks of it. We're at milepost 63, so I presume that's. Will that be 63 miles from Limerick, James, or would that be 63 miles from Limerick Junction, do you think?
Which one?
It's just at milepost 63. Oh, what? This looks like it's still manual.
I'd say to Limerick Junction, maybe.
From here, it's at milepost 62.
Yeah, from here to Limerick Junction, maybe.
Oh.
Or from. I'd say it's more Limerick Junction to here. We'll find out either way.
I don't know, just because it's like usually they would. I would think they come from Limerick because that's the terminus.
Yeah, maybe. I couldn't tell you really.
Anyone who knows, please do tell us. Yep. Okay, guys, we're approaching Clonmel, aka Clonmel. Yeah, I think it's this a bit further, but anyway. Yeah, this is the bridge. This is the bridge where you can cross over. I'm fairly sure that we're about to reach. James, your reflection is seen in the glass.
Hello.
Yeah, this is that bridge. I think they live on. Yeah, they live on that end.
Cool.
I genuinely think this line could use more traffic.
Oh,
Everyone, if you live in Ireland and you live in the Waterford or Limerick area, just take the train between these two places. It's not that expensive.
It's cheaper than a bus.
Yeah. It was 10 quid each for us.
Yeah.
And return now.
And bus for return, you're looking at like
20
up
at least.
Upwards of 20.
Yeah. Well, I don't know what the bus costs, but. Right.
It'll be around 20 return.
I'm gonna get up and head for the thing.
Yeah.
So, Jim? Yes, I have gone a bit Jeff Marshall, but oh well. Is the platform on this side or the other? It's on this side. Oh, it seems they've got a bit of a staggered platform here. Oh, there's the footbridge and there's the station building. There's a fair few people here, actually, surprisingly. Well, no. I guess we're leaving Clonmel then. I'm loading up the sensor thing. Oh, there's the semaphore again. Yeah, it's down when it's green. The only bad thing about this station is it's placed pretty far from the edge of Clonmel. Or from the centre of Clonmel, sorry. Sensor. just going to point out, for us, that it was actually cheaper to buy adult tickets than student tickets. Let's see. Yeah, I doubt we're going at 2. Yeah, we're going about. We're doing about 50 kilometers an hour. 54.
That's fair.
Yeah. I was going to show, right? On the sound meter and sound level, you can actually see as the engine throttles up and back. Right, guys, we're approaching Cahir. I won't get out here because quite a lot of people here, but quite a lot of bridges here. It's very, despite it looking surprising. I'm trying to figure out what that building might be. James, any idea?
The big one?
Yeah.
I can look it up.
Yeah. Usually the big buildings are usually mental hospitals. I'm going to be entirely honest. No, like there's one outside Venice Square thing, and I thought, oh, this must be some rich guy's palace. No, it was just a mental hospital.
There's a school beside it anyway.
Oh, so it could be an old. It could be the old building basically of the school. We're at milepost 38 and a half. This is our second to last stop, 4 hours. So we have 2 more stops counting Cahir before we're starting to get off. There's a church. There's the church. You can't see the castle from here, but there's some old railway tracks. That looks like an old platform. Maybe it was like a goods platform or something. Yeah, those are buffers.
Can't find much about it.
Alright.
It's near the school though.
On Cahir. Platform or dawn. I'm getting. To be fair, James, we have to go down the Ross Lair line at least once for the sake of Clonmel. I'm getting myself cake.
Clonmel is the weirdest film I've ever
Oh yeah.
seen.
So those of you who don't know what this is, it's something we have to study for the leaving cert for Irish. So you guys are pulling out of Cahir.
There's a good interior though.
Yeah, that's actually pretty much exactly what we had. Yeah. Okay. I hope I remembered it right. And this is the way to the castle. I don't know. That's a marvellous looking church. Yeah, it's definitely this way because the castle's. There's no way the castle on the other side. Oh, there it is. I just saw it for a split second poking up. There's the river, so we should get a good view of the castle here. Oh, good. Oh, god damn it. So, yeah, you can see the castle there. Just about, but you can. You can see some of the structures there, yeah?
Yeah.
Fair enough, Ski.
Nice castle though.
Yeah, it is.
Been in it
Sheep.
a few times.
Sheeps.
Sheeple.
AKA liberals, according to the US.
Oof.
What?
There you
Am
go.
I wrong? That's what the Yanks say. I'm not saying I agree with them.
Yeah.
The Yanks are known to be the smartest of people.
Oof. Again.
Oh, have you seen that thing? It was like, oh, countries that uses the metric system versus countries that land along the
Yeah.
Yes, countries that land along the using the metric system. Subtle middle finger there.
Matthew made a meme a while back and I was
Oh
like,
god.
you know the excuse me what the fuck memes?
Yes.
It was one of those
Oh,
like
by the way, we just crossed the shore.
when you leave the British Empire but still use the empirical system.
Yanks get pissed.
And it's just like it was the
Okay guys, we're approaching Tipperary. By the way, is Dawn from Kilkenny or Tipperary?
Kilkenny.
Alright. That also has a train station. It's on the Waterford Dublin line. I've been on that one as well. Like that, like the train goes into it, and then the driver has to switch cabs and then basically reverse out. And so there are some trains that just bypass it. By the way, next time we're on the way back, we're sitting on the other side.
Yeah. Found the annual ticket.
Yeah.
Only problem is you just can't buy it anywhere.
Ah. What? For more? Online, no. Ticket machines, no. Weekly?
No. Weekly. That's a weekly pass. Yeah.
I know. Or there's a footbridge. Yeah, it's these old things. Oh yeah, they're automatic now. I thought there's just that bit of track there. Just.
That's where the train used to go.
Yeah. The station's on the other side.
They literally just concreted over the old track.
I mean, I wouldn't be surprised.
Tipperary.
Hold on, the camera doesn't want to stop recording. There's another semaphore. Right, so we're leaving. I think I'll just record the whole stretch from here to... What's it called? Limerick Junction.
You may as well, like.
Quite swayy. I'm curious, like, to anyone who knows, would somebody like, say, the RPSI be able to run a train along the Waterford Rosselair line? Because it is officially closed, but the tracks are still there and they're still being maintained. But you would have the little issue of the bridge that needs to be turned into place. But other than that, I don't see why you couldn't. Sean train gdy Limerick. This train is for Limerick Junction. Yes, if you're on here and you don't know the trains for Limerick Junction, something's gone wrong.
Yeah.
On K Station Ella, Limerick. Now, apparently that's Junction.
Yeah.
Or at least I presume so. Next station is Limerick. What?
Crossroad.
Fair enough.
In Abdeutsch.
Yeah, I know. I too, German.
I know.
There's Dunn's there. I just passed it. I know it's random, so remember that there was a sign on the road there saying Limerick Junction. See, Foynes, I wish like that Foynes had a railway line.
Yeah.
I wish they still ran like a commuter service down there, because that would have made it so much easier to get to the museum. The flying boat museum there is pretty good.
See the big boats.
Well, they're
Big
not.
sky boats.
They're actually not that big, but they're pretty cool.
The seaplane.
I think there's different.
There probably is. A seaplane just kind of like lands on the water.
I don't know. Like,
A seaplanes kind of just they land on it. They just get onto it and they've got like the buoyant landing gear.
I don't know.
They're just not made to land on land.
Yeah, that could be it. Yeah.
Or is this more?
There's the amphibians that can land on both,
Yeah.
and I don't know.
There's more of literally a boat with wings.
Passengers wishing to report antisocial behaviour can do so to members of staff, or in any emergency using intercom buttons at the end of the carriage. Yeah. Where do you even get the Cork Institute of Technology hoodie, actually?
I was doing an engineering course in TY.
Fair enough.
Up in CIT. My aunt works there, so.
The use of e-cigarettes is not permitted.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, have you seen that thing where it's like, if there's smoke coming out of the train, like 1920s, the train is working. There's
Limerick Junction in Limerick Culture. Because the fashionary everyone shot of Yankel train.
that means everyone has to get off, I presume. Right, and what was I talking about? The e-cigarette. Oh yeah, so like 1920s, there's smoke coming out of the train's working. Like 1960s, there's smoke coming out of the train's on fire. 2018, there's smoke coming out of the train, the passengers are vaping.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will shortly arrive at Limerick Junction. Passengers should change here on the connecting train. This is the last stop. Thank you for travelling with Euro Air.
This is the last stop, and you just see there's just a wall on the end of the track.
That's called a buffer, James.
Ah, yeah.
Wait, there's actually a town here? Oh no, it's just an industrial thing.
Yeah. I mean,
It's a rail yard. Oh wait, no, this is that station actually. That's a little rail inspection vehicle. Or is there another platform actually, or no, it was just dumb? Because yeah, this is the Cork Dublin main line that we're crossing here. So we're going through, and then we reverse in.
into there.
Yeah. Oh, there's two platforms. Looks like we'll be taking the the platform to the right, I think, because it looked like that's how the tracks were set.
Yeah.
Yes, now we're going to reverse back in. I thought we were actually going to be continuing this way.
Just gotta zoom backwards. Does that mean on the way back we're going to reverse back out, or we just go straight?
We're going to have to reverse back out and then go that way.
That's weird.
I know how railways work, much more than I probably should. Yeah, I think the driver's now going to switch. So I'll pause the video. Okay, we're reversing into Limerick Junction now. I love how they put this on this side, so that it can only be read on the other side. The little sticker here in the corner. Or you need a mirror.
True.
What time is it? I want to know for. Yeah, we're ahead of schedule. We're about 10 minutes out of schedule. That doesn't happen in America. Amtrak, shots fired. To be fair, I would actually like to go on Amtrak. Like I want to go from New York to Seattle.
That would be fair. That would be fairly.
It would cost about $1,000, but to be fair, that's a sleeper cabin, food, and transport. So
It would be worth it, I'd say.
yeah, would you be up for it? I mean, to be fair, this is in the far distant future, but both of us will have the money if you get the job you want and I get the job I want.
Yeah, that's true.
Hell, to be fair, I might not even have to pay for the flight to New York.
To fly yourself.
Yeah, basically just go, right, lads, it's like, can I take a week's break? Because I'll be in New York. See, the thing is, do pilots need visas? Or do they have kind of a specific visa?
For what?
Like, because like say, I want to fly long haul in the end.
Yeah.
So would that mean like, if I, like, the way long haul works is you fly once and then you've got like 2 or 3 days off.
Yeah, I'd say.
So you're allowed to go around, and you're allowed to go around the country, so I don't think you need to apply to visa.
I'd say there's a separate thing for pilots.
Yeah.
I think it's more people that want to work, that want to travel, spend, like there's a tourist visa,
Yeah, I know that.
and like tourist visa expires, that lasts about 2 months.
You can get it up to 2 months, I think,
Yeah.
isn't it? You can get shorter, obviously, but...
And then you can have like a work visa, which lasts for a decent amount of time.
No, right.
Actually no, the tourist visa is 6 months. Maximum.
Oh, right.
I know because Catherine's mum was trying to get one, because she's not a US citizen.
Oh, right.
Catherine is because she was born
She doesn't... Does she have a green card at all, or anything like that, no?
there. She's trying to
Trying
to get it.
It's fairly expensive, I know that.
Oh, it is.
Like, one of our friends had, like, he's a stunt person in Hollywood. Well, that's us in Limerick Junction, see you on the train to Limerick. This isn't ours. There he goes. There's a train. Yeah. That was pathetic. We'll get on. I'm changing the batteries.
Yeah, do.
Wait, is that a thing? No, that, at least 2 cars, surely.
I'd say we're back.
Quite a lot of the ones in Cahir that sold out now. Of course, I said it's St. Patrick's Day weekend. Yeah, no wonder. Yeah, see, that could go non-stop basically.
Yeah.
From Cork. So Mallow Bantier, Mill Street, Rathnore, Killarney, Farm 4, and then Tralee.
Yeah.
And that's the route.
Nice.
Will that be through mountains, do you think?
Has it?
Yeah, go. We'll soon be able to. Oh, there's the 2200 being held, or 2800 sorry, being held back there.
Yeah, that will be through mountains.
Good. So you're for that during Easter?
Yeah, sure. That it goes just past the ring of Carrick. Yeah, that'll be through mountains. It doesn't quite go down to the ring of Carrick, but just above it.
I thought Killarney would be the ring of Carrick.
It is.
Oh, it's
But
up to Killarney.
it's the lakes below hand. It's Killarney down to the lakes below hand.
Oh, I see.
That's what the ring of Carrick is.
I've done it like, but
Yeah.
I think it's much. That might be the one we took in.
Yeah, it's at Fort Largana.
Oh, wait, that's going back then.
Yeah.
Fair enough. Just some footage while we're underway. We've got time.
Yeah.
To be fair, I'll put this around my neck. Right, so we're approaching Colbert. I don't know why I pronounce that kind of Russian. Colbert? Oh, what's this? That must be would that be to Lake Ballast? Or, yeah, there's another one there. There's another local. There's a few local trains here. I'd say some of these could probably also go up to like Galway or something. There's a train wash next to us. Yeah, there's this bridge and then it's Colbert.
Nice.
There's another station beforehand before Colbert. It just doesn't stop.
Yeah.
Look how people are getting off. It's a terminus. Just stay sitting. There's no need to rush. Well, we were in Cove, right? We were taking the train to Cove, and there was a cruise ship coming in.
Yeah.
And so the train was packed.
Yeah.
And there was a guy on the other side, like we were standing about here. The guy was over there, and there's the door. And the guy goes like, "Oh, you are like we were in Cove," and like I was just recording, so I was standing still, like I wasn't making way towards the doors. So, oh, and the guy goes, "Oh, you are getting off here, yes?" Right, we're getting off on this side then. And when I was, yeah, it's a terminus. The train doesn't go further.
Fair.
Right. Hold on, we'll wait till we come to complete. Oh, what happened there? Motorcycle?
Motorcycle.
It's 10:06. When were we meant to be here?
10:03.
3-minute delay, fair enough, ski. I guess see you on the way back.